Today's the day! The sweet potatoes are ready to harvest!
I've been waiting weeks for them to grow. Time to dig them up! Hat, bandana, overalls, boots. Perfect! Farmer Luffy is ready! Quick breakfast. Gonna need lots of energy for digging today. What a beautiful morning! Perfect day for harvesting sweet potatoes! First stop, the barn. Need Big Red and the trailer for this harvest. Good morning, barn. Let's get Big Red ready.
Here we go!
There's my Big Red, looking shiny and ready for harvest day. Good morning, Big Red. Ready for a big adventure to the sweet potato field? Digging fork, shovel, gloves. We'll need these to dig up the sweet potatoes without damaging them. Tools and baskets loaded. Now let's get Big Red started. Up we go! Time to drive! Seatbelt on, mirrors checked, hands on the wheel, safety first! Here we go, Big Red! Listen to that engine purr! Big Red is ready to roll! Off to the sweet potato field!
Ooh, yes! I love watching you harvest. I'll walk alongside.
Great! Let's go together! Parking right here at the edge. Perfect spot to load up all the sweet potatoes. Engine off! Time to get digging! Let's see what treasures are hiding underground. Digging fork, check. Gloves, check. Ready to harvest! Let's start right here. The vines look nice and healthy. See these beautiful green vines. The sweet potatoes grow underground, attached to the roots. First, we dig around the plant. Not too close so we don't cut the sweet potatoes. Push down deep. Like this.
Now lift and loosen the soil.
Wow, so many from just one plant. They're gorgeous. Gently, don't want to break them. First sweet potatoes of the harvest. Look how beautiful they are. Daisy, look, the first ones.
They're so orange and pretty.
On to the next one. There are so many plants to harvest. More beauties. This plant had even more than the first. Whoa, look at the size of this one. It's huge. Extra careful with this big guy. He's heavy. Daisy, look at this giant.
That's incredible, Luffy.
Basket is filling up nicely. Keep going. is hard work, but so worth it when you see all these sweet potatoes. First basket full. Look at all those beautiful sweet potatoes. Heavy, but worth it. Taking these to the trailer. Up onto the trailer. First load delivered. One down, lots more to go. The field is full of sweet potatoes. Oh, hello, chickens. Come to see the sweet potato harvest? Dig, lift, pull, dig, lift, pull. Nice rhythm. Every plant is full of treasures. Look at these beauties. Second basket filling up fast. Basket 2 is full. Time to load it up. Baskets loaded. The trailer is starting to fill up. Looking good, but we can fit more. Back to digging. Lots more sweet potatoes waiting underground. Let's get them. Getting better at this. Push, lift, reveal, pull, smooth. Plant has so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sweet potatoes. Arms full. My tail can help carry 2. Third basket filling up. This harvest is going great.
You're doing amazing, Luffy. Look at all those sweet potatoes.
Thanks, Daisy. Your cheering helps. Basket 3 is full. We're making great progress. Three baskets on the trailer. Room for one more. Last basket. Let's finish strong. Almost done. Just a few more plants. And these are the last ones. What a harvest! Done! All 4 baskets are full. What an amazing harvest! Last basket loaded. The trailer is full. Look at all these beautiful sweet potatoes. All that digging was worth it. Gloves off. Now let's drive this harvest back to the farm. Up we go. Time to drive this precious cargo home. Start her up. Big Red, let's take these sweet potatoes home. Here we go, homeward bound with our sweet potato treasure. Nice and steady. Don't want to bounce the sweet potatoes around.
You worked so hard today, Luffy. All that digging.
Hard work makes the harvest feel even better. The chickens are joining our parade. Bok, bok, bok. There's the farm, almost home, with our sweet potato treasure. Slowing down, parking right by the barn. Safe and sound. The sweet potatoes made it get these sweet potatoes into the barn storage. Open up the barn. Time to store our harvest. Perfect. Nice and cool for storing sweet potatoes Ning. They'll keep fresh for a long time. First basket. Let's get these inside. Careful with these precious sweet potatoes. First basket safely stored. 3 more to go. Two baskets stored. Halfway there. 3 down. 1 more to go. And 4. All sweet potatoes safely stored. Woohoo! Look at all these beautiful sweet potatoes. What an amazing harvest! Harvest complete. All stored safe and sound.
What an amazing day! We did it, everyone! You worked so hard.
Look how dirty I got. But that's what honest hard work looks like. Good stretch. My arms worked hard today digging all those sweet potatoes. My tummy is rumbling. All that work made me super hungry. I know. I should try one of the sweet potatoes I just harvested. I earned it. This one looks perfect. Just the right size for lunch. Let's go cook this beauty. A fresh baked sweet potato sounds delicious. First, wash it clean, then bake it in the oven. Scrub, scrub, getting all the dirt off. Into the oven you go. Now we wait for it to get soft and yummy. While it bakes, I'll wash up. I'm so dirty from all that digging. Smell that? The sweet potato is baking. It smells amazing. It's ready. Look how perfectly baked it is.
Look at that beautiful orange color inside. So fluffy.
Let's eat this outside with Daisy. She'll want to hear about all the sweet potatoes. This is perfect. Good food, good shade, good friend. First bite. Here we go. So sweet and delicious. Growing my own food makes it taste even better.
Want to try some Daisy? It's really yummy.
Don't mind if I do. That was the best lunch ever. Fresh from the farm. What a day! Woke up early, drove the tractor, dug up all those sweet potatoes, brought them home.
That's the secret of farming, Luffy. You put in the hard work, and nature rewards you with wonderful food.
You're so wise, Daisy. That was a great rest. Time for some light afternoon chores. A little work in the afternoon keeps the farm running smoothly. Here you go, chickens. Dinner dinner time for you, too. All the sweet potatoes are looking perfect. They'll stay fresh for a long time. What a beautiful golden light. I love this time of day.
What a wonderful day it's been. The best harvest day ever.
Look at those sunset colors. Nature is amazing. Let me walk you to your pasture, Daisy.
You're always so thoughtful.
Good night, Daisy. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Luffy. Thank you for such an amazing harvest day.
Good night, chickens. Thanks for keeping me company today. Bowk, bowk. What a perfect end to a perfect harvest day. Time to head home. What a day it's been. Home, sweet home. Another sweet potato from my harvest. Can't get fresher than this. Today was so special. I drove Big Red to the field, dug up all those sweet potatoes, and brought them home safely. What a day! Time for pajamas and sleep.
Good night, farm. Good night, sweet potatoes. Good night, Big Red. Best harvest day ever.
What a great sleep after such an amazing day!
I feel great. Yesterday, hard work gave me the best sleep ever.
Farmer outfit on, ready for another great day!
What a beautiful morning. The farm looks so peaceful. Good morning, Daisy. How did you sleep?
Wonderfully. You? Best sleep ever. All that digging and tractor driving really tired me out.
Hard work leads to good rest.
Good morning, chickens. Ready for a new day.
Bop, bop, bop.
Let me check on our sweet potato harvest. Want to make sure they're all okay. Let's see how they're doing. P.E.R.fect. All the sweet potatoes look fresh and beautiful. The cool barn kept them just right. Look at them. All that hard work yesterday, and now they're safely stored for weeks. Yesterday I planted seeds, watered them, waited weeks, and now I have all these sweet potatoes. Farming is amazing. All safe and sound. Now those sweet potatoes will feed me for weeks.
The harvest is safe?
Perfect. Every sweet potato looks great. You know what I learned, Daisy? Hard work really does pay off. I dug and dug, and now I have so much delicious food.
And you did it all yourself. Drove the tractor, dug up the sweet potatoes, brought them home. That's something to be proud of.
I am proud. And I couldn't have done it without my friend Daisy cheering me on. Look at our beautiful farm, Daisy. I'm so lucky to live here.
And I'm lucky to have you as my friend.
Best friends forever, Daisy.
Thank you, Big Red. You helped me bring all those sweet potatoes home safely. You're my trusty partner, Big Red. We make a great team. My wonderful farm family. I love you all. Driving Big Red is so much fun. And it helps me do big jobs like bringing home the harvest. And now I have so many yummy sweet potatoes. I can make sweet potato pie, sweet potato soup, baked sweet potatoes. Life on the farm is the best. Hard work, good friends, and delicious food. Hey, friends, did you see all the sweet potatoes I harvested? I learned something really important. When you work hard and don't give up, amazing things happen. I drove my tractor, dug in the dirt, and worked all day. It was tiring, but look at all the sweet potatoes I got.
And Luffy had help from his friends. We cheered him on.
That's right. Friends make hard work more fun. So remember, kids, hey, work hard, help your friends, and never give up. You can do amazing things.
The end.
Hey, friends. Did you enjoy our sweet potato adventure?
We hope you had fun. If you want to see more farm adventures, hit that subscribe button.
Don't forget to click it.
Give us a like if you love the tractor and sweet potatoes.
And ring that BELL so you never miss our adventures.
And SHAR this video with your friends and family.
Everyone loves farm adventures.
Thanks for watching our sweet potato harvest adventure. See you next time on the farm.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye. We love you.